How to order and pay on the Temu app. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a purchase on Temu app. First, go to the Temu app. Here, you will find different products on the home page. Select the product that you want to purchase. Then tap on Add to Cart. Select your size if it is applicable to your product. After that, tap on the Add to Cart button. Then tap to open your cart. Here you can see the details of your purchase. Tap on Checkout to proceed further. Then again, tap on Checkout. As you can see, it says orders less than $20 will not be shipped, so make sure you have purchased the required amount. Add more items to your cart in order to make it at least $20. Once you're done, tap on Continue to Checkout. Here you can review your order details. Now select the payment method. You can select any of these options as per your choice. Tap on Submit Order in order to confirm it. This is how you can order and pay on the Temu app. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.